a little something to help to keep you high. Bananas and blow, bananas and blow, bananas and blow. Stuck in my cabana, living on bananas and blow.
Your favourite part of the band?